Hello, my name is Sky from Crewe Motor Match, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This BMW 5 Series 520D M Sport Touring is now available here at Motor Match Crewe. It comes powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with automatic transmission and in a silver colour, which is enhanced by the black window surrounds, high gloss shadow line exterior trim, matte aluminium roof rails, green tinted windows with upgraded sun protection glazing, adding to the look of the car as well as the security. And finishing off the exterior perfectly, we have the 19-inch light M double spoke style alloys. Adding to the safety and convenience of every drive, we have the automatic headlights with electric range control, ensuring great vision of the road, as well as the electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors with the upgraded power folding and auto dimming. And to the rear of the car we have this extremely spacious boot, perfect for shopping and luggage, with the retractable parcel shelf, and just underneath the boot floor we also have additional storage space. It also comes with the powered tailgate, perfect for if you're ever in a rush or your hands are full. Moving on to the interior of the car, in the back we have 3 full-size seats, with a pull-down armrest in the middle with built-in cup holders and storage space and ISOFIX points on the outside seats. When entering the cabin of this car, you are greeted by the stunning full black Dakota Leather upholstery with the exclusive stitching, pairing beautifully with the black headlining and aluminium hexagon inlays, brightening up the cabin of the car. Adding to the comfort and luxury of every drive is the part electrically adjustable heated front sports seats. On the dash we have the black leather-wrapped steering wheel coming with paddle shift, improving the performance of every drive alongside the M Sport suspension and the drive performance control with Eco Pro Comfort and Sport modes. The steering wheel is also multi-function, helping you safely and easily control the cruise control with brake function, perfect for motorway driving, and the driver media display screen, giving you what you need in your peripheral, creating a safer journey. For all of your entertainment needs is the 6.5-inch display screen, featuring the likes of Bluetooth connectivity with hands-free, creating extra safety. We also have BMW Navigation Business System for all of those unknown roads, DAB digital radio, giving you access to a wider range of radio stations, BMW Connected Drive services, as well as other car settings. It also displays the front and rear park distance controls, alleviating all of your parking worries. Just below we have the dual zone climate controls, ensuring both you and your front seat passenger are always comfortable, as well as the 3-way heated seats controls. We also have the cup holders, which can be hidden when you're not using them, keeping the car looking sleek and stylish, as well as the display screen control panel, the electronic parking brake, and just underneath the armrest we have additional storage space, as well as your USB and aux ports. RAC warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.